Presenting TP-Link AC1200 Archer A6 Smart Wi-Fi Router. This product also comes in 4 other style variants as AC1200, AC1750, AC1900 MU-MIMO and AC2600. This router is equipped with 4 antennas along with beamforming technology that extends and concentrates the Wi-Fi signal. It provides 867 megabytes per second speed at 5 GHz and 300 megabytes per second speed at 2.4 GHz band. It supports access point mode that transforms wired connection into wireless connection. It comes with high-performance Qualcomm Chipset that provides seamless connection. With the OneMesh function, you can form a mesh network with a single Wi-Fi name for seamless whole home coverage. Archer A6 is easy to set up. Simply download the free Tether app to set up and manage your network settings. Inside the box, you will find a wireless router, Archer A6, power adapter, RJ45 Ethernet cable and quick installation guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.